How to create an account on PC Optimum. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create an account or register to PC Optimum. So to do that, first of all, download and open the PC Optimum app on your mobile device. And once you've downloaded the app, simply tap on the option register. Now simply enter your email address over here. After that, create a new password for your PC Optimum account. Now confirm your password by typing it again in the box below. Now tap on the option I agree to privacy policy and I agree to the PC Optimum terms and condition. Now once you've done all of those, tap on the option create a PC ID. Now enter your first name and your last name over here. And then once you tap on the option I agree to the privacy policy and PC Optimum terms and conditions, tap on the option continue. And if you have a PC Optimum card, you can simply link them over here. But if you don't have a card, tap on the option access my card via this app. And then for now, we'll simply skip this process. And there you have it. So that is basically how you create or register to PC Optimum. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.